Alright guys, welcome back. So today I worked in this room. It's gonna be a movie theater or theater, whatever you want to call it. So my hard hat light is gonna die, and anyways, I'm trying to like rotate it, but it's not working. I think it's broken. I don't know. It's supposed to move, but I guess not. But I got the flash on the camera as well. So anyways, here we go. So all these plugs are ran in 12.3 because they're going to be switched. So we got the switch box here. I don't think this is focusing. There we go. So we got switch plugs. So this is the home run right here, which goes out to the hallway right here, going through the ceiling. And then I got one wire going to the one plug, and then I forgot about this one, so kind of worked out for the best because I just ran it right to there. So as you can see, the first plugs go to there, and then it hops over to this one, and then it hops over to this one in the TV, and then the reds are just tied through because that's not going to be switched for the TV. And then it goes over to there, and then that one over there. So I was going to come out of this one and go over to there, but I was like, I'm just going to go real short. So anyways, I think this turned out pretty decent. There's a little bubbles, but for the most part they turned out pretty straight. I did 4 sets of staples just to keep them right in the middle, and some of these have nails coming through the back, so I wanted them nice and tight in the middle. So yeah, so here's a little bit of that, and then I did all the lights as well. So I can't really see the camera, but this light and this last light over here are the emergency, so those two are tied together. And then all the other ones, there's 3 rows, so like right here, 3 rows, and then I don't even know what I'm trying to say anymore, but there's 3 lights on the left side, 3 lights on the right side, and then 2 in the middle. So there's one, I can't really see the camera, but there's one over there, one right there, one right, I can't see it at all, one right there, and then the 2 in the middle is that one and that one, and then the 3 outside ones are that one, and that one. And because of this beam, I had to go under it because they're going to do a 2-foot soffit here, so this will get covered anyways. So I had to leave a loop for the sheetrockers so they can sheetrock around it or whatever, and they'll probably just drill a hole through and fire caulk it or something, I'm guessing. But I was planning to run this box over to there, but then I forgot about the beam, so I just took a second wire out of here and just went around the beam. So I got like 3 loops over there and then 1 behind me. So anyways, I shot the laser because there's really nothing to measure off of that one and that one. So I shot a laser off these 2 lights right here to get that one, and then off those 2 to get that one, and then shot the laser that way to line those 2 up. So anyways, it took most of my day. At the beginning of the day, I buttoned up a few things in the other rooms, a couple switches at 3 gang that I showed you at the end of the day yesterday, the 3 gang. And then I finally figured out that barn door over there, got an answer for the barn door. I guess they're gonna leave it open like that for the handicapped people. So we just took the 2 gang and made it a single gang, and then made that up with the 4 wires there. It actually turned out really well, but I kind of want to go show you guys, but I don't want to walk over there, but I'm going to do it anyway. So I'm going to try to walk quickly. Everyone's already gone. It's 4 o'clock, and we did 9 hours today, but I want to go show you. This turned out actually pretty nice, and then I'll end it off. But thanks for the support, guys. I appreciate it. About 325 subs probably by the time this video goes live, but you guys are killing it. Thanks for the support. So here it is right here. Turned out pretty nice. I did 4 sets of stackets, actually 5. So I got 4 right there. And then because I'm retarded, I had to cross that. But so I was gonna go switch into there. I always do switch leg on the right, or in a 2 gang, I always do go switch on the outside sides and then power in the middle. But because the way that I did it this way, These two are longer, so I had to stick them under there, so I did a stack it there, and it turned out pretty nice and tight. So not the cleanest, but I mean it turned out well, and it looks good, but I don't know how you're actually supposed to do that. I mean it looked pretty good for me, but anyways, just besides those wires kind of crossing right there. But anyways, I'm kind of proud of it. But anyways, so they're leaving this big old hole right here. So all right, 5 minutes, I'm gonna end this off. But thanks for watching, guys. I appreciate it. All I do is ask that you give it a like and subscribe, possibly, if you want to come back for more, because I'm doing this on my own time, and I just appreciate it if you guys give it a like. It really means a lot to me, and I think it helps out, hopefully. So anyways, guys, thanks for the support. Appreciate it. God bless, and awesome rest of your day. Peace out. And I already said give it a like, but also check out the description for my social medias. All right, guys, peace out. See you tomorrow.